everyone, it's Techie Becky here, and today we're going to talk about Facebook live streaming. So let's start by opening the Facebook app. As you can see, you're already logged in to the Connecting Through Technology timeline and the Becky Peer profile. Now scroll up your timeline on your iPad. Here you will see the Connecting Through Technology Facebook link. Click on it and it will take you to our page where we'll be doing a live stream video. Hi everyone, it's Becky Techie here.